You know, we're all seeing this massive creator gold rush happening right now. But what if I told you the smartest way to get rich isn't actually by becoming famous? Today, we are unpacking a total cheat code for the creator economy, the shadow operator model. Let's be real for a second. If you've ever tried to build an audience from zero, this quote probably hits pretty close to home. That constant grind for likes, for follows, it feels like a losing battle, doesn't it? But maybe, just maybe, the problem isn't you. Maybe it's the game you've been told to play.
I mean, for the longest time, the only path we saw was building a personal brand from the ground up. But that game, it's just filled with insane pressure, constant public scrutiny, and a really high chance of burning out long before you ever see a decent paycheck.
Okay, so let's just look at the difference here. On one hand, you have the traditional influencer. Their whole world is about building an audience. It's public, it's high stress, and their main asset is their personal brand. But the shadow operator, it flips the entire script. You're not building, you're borrowing an audience. You work behind the scenes with low stress and clear systems. And your asset? It's not you, it's your partnerships.
So, what's the big secret here? How do you actually tap into millions of followers that already exist and build a serious income, all without ever having to post a single selfie or a video yourself? Well, it all boils down to finding the right kind of partners.
And here's the key, the micro creator. We are not talking about chasing huge celebrities here. No. We're talking about creators with, say, 10 to 50,000 followers. These are people who have these incredibly loyal, engaged audiences who hang on their every word, but they often have no idea how to turn that attention into actual money. And that right there is where you come in. They are the perfect partners.
You slide in with an offer that is, and I'm not kidding, almost impossible for them to refuse. You say, hey, I will build and launch a high-quality digital product for your audience. And here's the kicker. It costs them $0. There is absolutely no financial risk on their end. You handle all the work, they just bring the audience. It's pure upside for them.
And this is what really makes it a no-brainer. The profit split. You give them the lion's share, a whopping 70%. You take 30%. Now, since digital products have almost 100% profit margin, this super generous split builds trust instantly. It makes them feel like a valued partner, not like they're being taken advantage of. Okay, so you've got them hooked. The deal sounds amazing. But how in the world do you actually deliver a killer product for them if you aren't an expert in, say, gardening or crypto or whatever their niche is? Well, that's where this simple 3-step AI-powered playbook comes in. This is your system. This is how you go from a handshake to a payday.
And the process itself is beautifully simple. First, you find the right partners. Second, you build the product with AI as your secret weapon. And third, you launch that product to their built-in audience of raving fans. Find, build, launch. That's it.
All right, let's break down step 1, find. You're hunting for those micro creators. You scroll through their profiles. Do you see tons of comments, lots of love, but they're only making a few bucks from small brand deals? That's your signal. That's when you reach out with that zero-risk 70-30 partnership offer we just talked about. Now, for step 2, this is where you get a truly unfair advantage. You don't have to be the expert. AI is your expert. You can feed AI a creator's most popular videos, their most shared posts, and it'll tell you exactly what their audience is obsessed with. Then it can help you structure, outline, and even write a first draft of an ebook or a course based on those proven ideas. Seriously, AI does 90% of the heavy lifting. You're just the strategist. And finally, step 3, launch. And you want to know the best part? You spend $0 on ads. Nothing. The creator's audience is the launch. You can even use AI to generate a powerful, high-converting 14-day launch script for them. They post the content, the sales roll in, and you both get paid. It's clean, it's efficient, it's brilliant. Okay. This all sounds amazing in theory, right? But let's actually get down to brass tacks and run the numbers. And look, we're going to be extremely pessimistic here. Let's see what a terrible launch could realistically look like for you. So let's imagine you partner with a creator who has a solid, but not massive, audience of 30,000 followers. This is a very typical, achievable number for the partners you'll be looking for. Now, let's just assume the launch is a bit of a dud, a worst-case scenario. Only 1% of their audience actually buys the product. That means 99% of their loyal fans see the offer and just go, meh. And we'll say the product, maybe it's a deep dive guide or a small course, is priced at a very fair and reasonable $150. So how does that math actually shake out?
Well, 1% of 30,000 followers, that's 300 sales. And 300 sales at $150 each generates an absolutely incredible $45,000 in total revenue from one launch. A terrible launch, remember?
And here it is, the big number, your slice of that 45 grand. Your 30% cut is $13,500. That's your take-home pay from one partnership with a worst-case conversion rate, all done from behind your laptop. Now, just imagine doing 2 or 3 of these at the same time.
This quote just nails the whole philosophy. You are playing the smartest position on the board. You're not trying to build the entire asset from scratch. You're the connector. You don't have to own the audience, just like Uber doesn't have to own the cars. You simply connect the dots, facilitate the transaction, and take your share of the value you helped create.
So look, the AI gold rush is here. It is happening right now. Most people out there are frantically trying to be the miners, digging for gold, trying to build that audience. But we all know that in any gold rush, the real, lasting fortunes, they're made by the people who sell the shovels. This model, this is how you sell the shovels. The only question left is, which side are you going to be on?